Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. I think that we can do this as two elements, I think. So let's grab that. Let's just set the height on this. We'll set the height to, what are we going to call that? We'll call that 55, 245, so 190. And we will temporarily set that background to this color. We'll set this background to this color. Just hit diff. We'll do margin, what, about 55 and -8. And 0 at the bottom, no, -145, 245, and then 200. Okay, that one's -8. 220, 218, 218 might be too much. Let's try 217. 217, beautiful. And then we will do this background as a linear gradient. I reckon that's probably 30 pixels. So what's that? 55, 95. Oh, 40 pixels maybe. Green for 40 pixels, and then transparent. And then we shift it 0, 0. We make it 160 wide. And repeat only on Y. $160 is probably about right. And then we make it 100 pixels tall. A bit further, 120, 130, 140, 150. I'm a little worried about that bit down the bottom, but we'll see what happens when we add in the radial gradient. Radial gradient. Color 20 pixels, then transparent. Put a comment in. Shift it over 50 pixels. 60. 65. Maybe 70. And it's not quite 20. How about 18? 19, 18. Oh, this should be 1Q. That's where it's going wrong. Now it'll be 20. And then 67. Okay. And we do 100%. And 80 pixels. 75 pixels. Okay. That looks fairly close. Probably close enough. Then we add another P. Just temporarily, we make the other P have a background of red. And yes, that is in the right place. So we then just take that margin and we flip 217 and -8. And then we do a scale, -1, 1. And that should be fairly darn close. It's going to give me a 99, I'm sure of it. Yeah, now then. What have we got that we could possibly change slightly? 20.5. 4, 3, 2, 1. No, that does look like it'd be 20. That looks right. 21 is definitely too big, but it also shows us it's over to the left a bit too much. So 75.5, 76. What is? Why does the top look so far out? Okay. That's 75. Let's just change this one. 68, 66, 67, 67.5. Let's make that 20 again. Let's try that. Definitely those circles there. There we go. 67.5 is a stupid number. So let's try 7Q. 71. 71Q looks fairly damn close. Okay, we're going to leave that at 71Q. And we'll start minifying a bit. We'll change that into an ampersand. And let's do a unit replace just to see whether or not we can get rid of anything. What did it get rid of? I did change there and a change there, so we're a few and a change there. So we're a few characters shorter. And that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.